Good day everyone in the Panhandle. My name is Jennifer, coming to you from the south of Dallas in a small town called Waxahachie. We're here, we can get into your commercial driver's license in as little as 3 to 5 days. No need to wait around for 30, 60 days to get into your license when we can do it here quickly. For a mere fee of $250, we can get you the questions and answers to the test as well as a truck rental. So give us a call. You can come up and visit with us one morning to drive with us as well as the examiner. You'll be on your way with your commercial driver's license. Very simple. We have the simplest road course anywhere in the state of Texas. Quick and easy, no boxes to back into, no curbs to hit. You can do this. So give us a call. You'll see our number again at the bottom, 469-835-4126.